And this here is the group with 3 in it. And I just named them one. No one, but I named them 2. It has 2 accounts. 3 accounts. Each one of them different. And then the last one, I did put all 20 in, and it's called all. But it's a easy way to copy all your trades. So this here, I just need to find, because I got no clue as to what, I'm probably losing money in this thing here. Okay, 3. You know what, I'm going to let this run a little bit more. When I find the one that has 3 set in it, that's the chart that this group is trading. So right now it's 150 in each of the 3, which is right at 450. That's going to bounce all over. You know how that does. I'm going to let this go ahead and run for a while. But if I wanted to, right now, I would just, what is this? Russell 2000. I could close them all from over here, but most of the time, really what I do, probably because I don't really understand the platform, I just go right here and close them all. I just click that. That way you see exactly what your total profit is across all 3 accounts in this case.